Everybody is going to look and be like, who is she? Who's that girl? They're going to be in your DMs asking you where you got this from. Welcome back to Danny TV. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Danielle. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe because y'all know we're about to go up. So as you can see by the title, today I am filming a collective haul. So if you would like to see this, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first item that we're going to get into is from prettylittlething, and it is the sage green button-up organza sleeve blazer dress. I love this. It is very cute. I love it for me and I love it for y'all. I received so many compliments on this dress, so I was like, let me tell the girls where I got this from because y'all know I'm not a hater. So first off, I like that it's mint green and it looks very good on my skin, and I really like the sleeves. Like, the sleeves are so cute. Like, she's cute. This is something that you're going to wear when you want to be the center of attention. Like, this is a statement piece. I wore this a few weeks ago and it was very comfortable. I ordered it in a size small. The only thing I kind of wish was that I did size up a little bit because I have like hips at the bottom and it did fit a little snug, and I had to put like some shapewear under there. So FYI, y'all, get y'all some shapewear to put under it because it is pretty short, and if it's like windy and it blows up, everything is just going to be out. It's just very classy and clean, like sophisticated, and it's very feminine. So you can wear this to a lot of different places, and I felt super confident. So the next item is going to be this black two-piece from prettylittlething. I like her because she's black, first of all, and then it has the band at the bottom of the sweatshirt and the pants that say prettylittlething. I love two-piece chill sets that I can just throw on, especially because I live in St. Louis and it's the winter time now and it's cold. Like, forget trying to be cute. You want to be comfy, warm, and cute, and I feel like it's just the perfect item to throw on, and I can dress it up or down whether I'm going like out to run errands or if I'm going like to a dinner date. I can put this on and put some heels on it, put a cute little jacket on, and call it a day. Like, I just love chill, cute, comfy two-piece sets, and especially because I love sweats. So yeah, this bomber is from prettylittlething, and I ordered this in a size small. This is giving New York vibes. Like, put your big shades on, put the bomber on, and go out and call it a day. This is a perfect statement item for the fall. I love the color, and I feel like you can dress this up or down, and it's just a perfect jacket to have for the fall. Like, oftentimes when we think of fall, we get like blacks and nudes and like all those type of colors, but I feel like this green will just set off any outfit. You can put on all black and put the green bomber on and it just sets it off. So that's why I like this, and it's very comfy and it's honestly warm. It's lined on the inside. So yeah, y'all need to go ahead and get this because every girl needs a cute bomber in her closet. So this is not a winter coat. This is a jacket. So don't go buying this thinking that you got you a little winter coat, because it ain't a winter coat. It's a jacket. I received so many compliments on this. I love the color. As y'all can see, I'm a color person. Like, all the color. And I like the material. Like, it's very soft, but the material is just different. I've never felt anything like this before. Like, it has kind of like the rib effect, but not necessarily the rib effect. It's like pleated. So this dress is like full of pleats, but it's perfect. Like, when you put it on, it fits great. It hugs the body right. Like, it's just everything. You can wear this. I feel like this is a birthday dress, or for me, it was a dress that I wore to a conference to let them know, go ahead and hire sis, because sis about her business. Everybody is going to look and be like, who is she? Who's that girl? They're going to be in your DMs asking you where you got this from, because everyone was in my DMs asking me where I got this from, and it was just, I don't know, a perfect, cute little item. So it is on the pricey side, y'all. So this one right here is probably the most expensive item that I bought out of this collective haul. So don't think you finna get you a little $50 dress, because it is very pricey, but I don't know, it's cute. Like, I feel like when you look good, you feel good, and I definitely felt good when I had this on. The next item we have is like this little plaid shacket. So I ordered this off Fashion Nova, and I ordered this in a size small. I wish that I would have ordered this actually in an extra small because it fits big and baggy, and I like my stuff to be like tight, like not too tight, but I like my clothes to fit tight, and this does not fit at all. But I feel like when I wear it, I'll wear it with something with kind of matches with like the loose effect. But it's a cute little jacket for the fall just to throw on, whether you put on like a bodysuit or you put on like a jumpsuit or a one piece. You can just throw this on just to add a pop of color and add, you know, something to the outfit. Of course, you can dress it up and down, and I feel like shackets are in style. Like, I didn't have a shacket, so I was like, this cute. Let me go ahead and order me a shacket. So I will say y'all need to size down on this, but it's a cute little jacket for the fall. When I do fall shopping, I like to stock up on jackets because I'm a jacket girl. Like, I love to put on a jacket and just dress up my outfit with a jacket. Next up, we have the brown velour two-piece. It came with the pants and the hoodies. So velour is in style, and of course I live in St. Louis and it's cold, and I like to stay warm and comfy like I told y'all before. So that's why I chose to order this. I ordered this in a size small, and it's very soft, and this is warm. Like, I feel like if you live anywhere cold, you need a velour set because they are very, very warm, and you definitely will not be cold because I personally hate being cold. I love the color. It goes in with the fall, and it's just a fall essential, I feel like. I ordered the black one from Fashion Nova as well last year, and I loved it, and I freaking lost it. So I was like, okay, let me stock up and order the brown. They do have so many colors. Like, they have navy, they have black, they have hot pink, they have every color. I'm actually going to go back on the website for Black Friday and order them in every single color because I feel like this is an essential, and you can wear this to the grocery store. You can wear this wherever you need to be where you do not feel like being cold. So next up, we have this mustard little bomber jacket. First off, let me say this right now. Yellow is my color, okay? Like, I love the way yellow looks on my skin, or I should say mustard because it's mustard. I love the way the color mustard looks on my skin, so I had to get this jacket. This is just a perfect item for fall. It's like corduroy, so of course it'll keep you warm, and it's lined on the inside, and I'm hecka excited to wear it. Like, it has the little collar. It's giving very much classy vibes, and I can't wait to wear this. I ordered this in a size small, and I would say if you get this jacket, probably size up because I feel like mine fits just right. Like, I feel like it fits so right that I may not be able to move. So I might send this back and get this in a medium because I like to have like room in my jackets. But it's super cute. Everyone needs her in their closet for the fall. Like, this is a look. The next item is going to be the Kim is My Lawyer Hoodie. I ordered this from Talentless. This is actually in men's, and I wish I would have got a freaking extra small because this is a small and it fits really, really big. I haven't decided how I'm going to wear it yet, but I feel like it's so cute. And y'all know I am a Kim Kardashian stan, so yeah, I had to cop this. I love how on the sleeves it says Talentless, the brand that it came from, and I cannot wait to wear this because I don't know, it's just everything. Like, I'm a graphic hoodie, a graphic tee kind of gal. I will throw on a graphic tee and a graphic hoodie any day, so I had to get this. So if y'all do order this, make sure that y'all size down. If you want like the tight fit, or if you want it kind of loose and baggy, just order it in your normal size. The quality is good. It's super thick and it's very soft. Speaking of Kim, y'all know I had to cop me something from Skims. So this is the Teddy hoodie. It's in the brown color, and this right here is a winter essential. It is very, very soft and warm, and it's cozy. Like, it feels like a teddy bear, and it's so cute. So I ordered this in a size extra small because I didn't want to get it in a small and for it to be too big, and it fits just right. It fits perfectly, and I still have room in it. So I like it, and I'm probably going to be wearing this every single day because it's so warm and it's so freaking comfy, and I like the color. I cannot wait till Black Friday to see if Kim having a sale, because I'm definitely going to go on her website and rack up on the hoodies, the pants, like all of these, because this is something that you definitely need for the winter. This concludes my collective haul. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you guys like these items. What items would you wear? Which items wouldn't you wear? And if you stayed this long, make sure that you guys subscribe, like, and comment. And let me know if you want to see more hauls from me. Thank you guys for watching.